and today's video is going to be for, yes, when are all the delays going to be over. Now delays, in the case, it could be anything that you are waiting for. Okay, so yes, for that you first have to make up your mind about what you are wanting. Yes, what is the situation, what is the event that you want to consider for this video, right? Because you may have like 10 different things that are getting delayed, but you cannot watch like for all those 10 things. You cannot just watch this one video, right? It's just going to work for one situation, one event, one thing that you are waiting for to get results. Okay, so yes, so think about one event where you want to know when are the delays going to be over. Yes, before we begin anywhere with this video, I would like to share a few things that are necessary to be shared. So first of all, yes, this video is a timeless video. Whenever you watch this video, yes, there is going to be something or the other that's going to resonate with you. Yes, you know, this, because this is a general reading. Yes, see, this is a pick a card reading. There are 4 different options, so you have to select one option out of these 4. Now I used to put some fancy objects from where you could select, but now you know there are just 4 options. You can select any one of those options. Yeah, but it's just numbers. Okay, there is no option even put out here. So that being said, you have to select your options that way. So there are going to be a few things that will resonate with you. There will be a few things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, you have to let it go. Telling you something about myself, I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, yes, I have read for like thousands of people. Just sharing this with you so that you know that you can rely on this reading. This reading is something that you can count on. Okay, so yes, so now let's get started. So for the option number 1, when are all the delays going to be over? Now you know we have 2 different options here, 2 different cards here. First of all, the card says stop rushing this. Okay, so whatever you are wanting to bring a result into, you know, whatever you want that the thing finishes on time, please stop rushing into this, you know, because this thing is really important. You could have there could be several other dimensions that could open up. If you try to rush it, you may not be able to discover any further dimensions. So that is why this card says that yes, you have to stop rushing things. Yes, this is again, you know, in first option we have 2 cards. Okay, so it could be for some of you, it is actually showing if you are rushing into things, right? If you are rushing, if you are trying to bring results too quickly, then this is the message for you. The second card says that, okay, now if there is something like really impossible that you are trying to finish in this birth, then this card says it's not going to happen in this lifetime. Okay, so I have no idea what exactly is in your mind for which the answer is not in this lifetime, and it could be something is totally impossible. Now I know that, you know, yes, because I am also a life coach, I am also a spiritual coach. We always teach people nothing is impossible, everything is possible. So you may say, okay, what sort of video is this? How can this be motivating? See, this not in this lifetime, it could be for something where you are just having a sort of fantasy that, oh yeah, someday I would like to achieve this. Like for example, you are not working hard at all and you are waiting to be a millionaire, you are waiting to be super rich. Okay, so that for that, if you actually are not working hard and you know, and you are waiting for the cards to tell you when are you going to get rich, for that the cards say not in this lifetime. Okay, so now just because it has said this, it does not mean that it's not possible in this lifetime. You will have to start working hard. Maybe you will have to start working hard in a different direction. You will have to be consistent. Yes, you can actually get a private reading for that. Yes, because it will depend from person to person why this answer has come. Okay, not in this lifetime. So yeah, so that is it for your option. Yeah, that is it for your option. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you selected the option number 2, you know, the cards have to say, first thing it is, yes, when are the delays going to be over? First of all, the card says the delays will be over, you know, because that thing is coming for you, right? You're waiting for something to happen, you're waiting for a result to happen, whereas that result is already coming towards you, which is why, you know, that delay is occurring. Okay, so it could be that delay is occurring because yeah, the result is going to happen in a totally different way from what you are expecting, and yeah, it would be like totally waste of time when you are trying to prepare, you are trying to do something in a different direction. Yeah, so that's what is happening. Okay, so for it is coming for you. Okay, so if you are waiting for when this thing is going to happen, the card says the result is coming to you, that yes, the situation, yes, the completion of that thing is actually coming towards you. And the next thing, if some of you have been waiting for something for long, and that day when all of it is going to be over, when the delay is going to be over, is just very near. There is just a tiny bit fraction of time remaining. For those sort of people, the cards say that the delay is going to be over on Friday. Okay, so whenever you are watching this video, the next Friday that's coming, that is when the delay is going to be over. Just in case if you are watching this video on a Friday, yes, it could be this Friday, or it could be any other Friday. Okay, again, see, let me tell you now, just because I told you that the coming Friday the result is coming, a lot of times when people see that the result is coming, they just stop working hard, like the hare and the tortoise, right? Yes, the hare was running, the tortoise was way behind, and the hare thought, okay, that guy is just going to take forever, and he just thought he's going to win, which is why he just went near the winning post and he went to sleep. So this is what happens with people whenever they are told that yes, it is going to happen in this thing, in this coming day, or in this many weeks, or in these many days. People actually know that okay, it's going to happen then, so let it happen. Okay, I'll not do anything extra. I'll not work anything extra for that. Okay, so that is where they stop working hard. That is where the result which was actually coming towards them, that also stops coming towards you, right? So make sure that you don't stop taking actions, you don't stop working towards the result. Okay, so yes, it's coming on Friday, but if you stop taking any action, it will be delayed to the next Friday. If you again stop taking action, it will be again delayed to the next Friday. Okay, so that is how this reading works. So yeah, so that is it for today's reading. Until next time, bye bye. So just in case, if you have selected the option number 3 and you are waiting for something to happen, right? You're waiting for a result to happen and you just want to know when is this delay going to be over, and the card says that delay is going to be over by this year Christmas. Okay, again, I would like to repeat that if you stop taking any actions, just because this is showing the result of Christmas, if you stop taking any actions, if you don't do anything about it after watching this video, then the delays will be over by next year Christmas, right? And again next year, if you don't take any actions, it will be delayed to yet another Christmas. Okay, so make sure that whatever actions are needed to be taken for that result to appear, you have to make sure that those actions are continuously taken. Only then the result will be gained on the nearest Christmas possible. If your actions are also slowed down, if you don't take enough efforts, then also the next to next Christmas, amount of Christmases, how when that result will appear, that will also depend on how much actions, how quick actions, how effective actions, how efficient actions you are taking. So so that is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye. Just in case if you selected the option number 4, so for you, yes, there are two different messages that are coming through. So first of all, if you feel that it's just getting delayed, nothing is happening, then this card says it's a bit too late. Okay, it's a bit too late, and yes, maybe a bit too late to do any actions. Sometimes there are certain things which require a certain amount of time, certain amount of there is a right place, right time for it, and you may have delayed it too much, you may have waited too much, that that right time, right opportunity, right place, it has just surpassed. Okay, so this is what the card is, first option, this is what the card is saying, it is a bit too late. And for some other people, this card actually says it will happen unexpectedly. Yes, so for some other people, yes, if you have not delayed, if you have not waited too long, and you may not have delayed too much, then this card says it will happen unexpectedly. Okay, so yes, your expectations are not going to bring results any sooner, so stop expecting anything. So so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. And yes, let me know in the comments how much does this video help you, and if you are interested in learning tarot and learning how to predict for people, yes, then by all means you can join my upcoming tarot class. All the details about my upcoming tarot class are given on my website. The link of my website is shared on the screen here, and yes, you'll be able to check out all the information about that. Do join the waitlist so that you can get the latest information whenever the class is available. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.